Dear student, today we start the second part of chapter 16 Water a Precious Resource Workbook Solution in Science subject. Today we start question 6. Answer the following questions in short. The first question is, what is the water supply system in big city, town and most of interior villages? The answer is, big cities and towns have water supply system maintained by civic bodies, and the water is drawn from nearby lakes, rivers, ponds or well. The water is supplied through a network of pipe, and it is supplied at the home through tap. Thus they need not go out to fetch water. In some village, people have to fetch water from well or tube well and lake home in their vessel and take home in their vessel. And there people fetch water directly from the sources. Often women and children have to walk several kilometers to fetch water. Second number, how does the increase in population decrease water table? The answer is, increasing population create demand for constructions of houses, shop, office, road, and these decrease open areas like agricultural land, park and playground. And these in turn decrease the seepage of rainwater into the ground. A pakka floor does not allow water to seep in easily, and moreover a huge amount of water is required for construction work. Often groundwater is used for this purpose. So on the one hand we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other hand we are allowing lesser water to seep into the ground, and this result in depletions of water table. Third question, how does increasing industry decrease water table? The answer is, all the industries use water. Almost everything that we use need water somewhere in production process. The number of industry is increasing continuously. Water used by most of the industry is drawn from the ground, and this result in depletions of water table. Question 4, explain Bowery step well has was a traditional way of collecting water. The answer is, we have at many places in India an old age old practice of water store shortage and water recharge like Boweries. ठीक है? With the time, Boweries were not used and garbage started pooling in them. So Boweries are now clearly dead monuments. Some place they are closed also. However, because of the acute water shortage, we should rethink about it and they should be revived. Today the situation is that in spite of scanty rains, these places are managing their waters need water wells. Fifth number question, what should be done to stop the wastage of water? The answer is, the wastage of water can be stopped by following ways. First, leaking taps in house, school or any other place should be turned off. Second, damaged tap and pipe should be repaired or replaced. Third, we should take fresh water in the glass only as per our need. And fourth, we should use only required water for washing clothes, mopping of the floor, bathing and brushing. Sixth question, how is groundwater recharged? The answer is, the rainwater and water from other sources such as river and ponds seeps through the soil and fill the empty space and crack deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration, and thus groundwater is recharged. Question 7, answer the following question in detail. The question is, explain the factor responsible for the depletions of water table. The answer is, the factor responsible for depletions of water table are as follow. Increasing population, first number, increasing population create more demand of water. As a result, more tube wells are needed to be dug and water is pumped out. Second, increasing industries, a lot of water is used in industries. Water used by most of the industry is drawn from the ground. As the industry increases, the open and barren land decreases, thus in turns decrease the seepage of water in the ground. And the third point is agricultural activities. Water is needed for agriculture. Due to less and erratic rainfall, the crop is supplied water from well or tube well. Irrigation system such as canal is not everywhere, and therefore farmer have to use groundwater for irrigation. The water is not much replenished by the natural process compared to water used up. Fourth number, inadequate rainfall. Due to inadequate rainfall, the filtrations of water in the ground is also less. Hence, water table goes to low level. Fifth point, deforestation. The forest area decreases and industries and cities are established. As a result, the effective area for seepage of water decreases, so water table goes to low level. Now the chapter is complete. Thank you.